Hey Albert, hey track fans. So we're back, track 94, and we run a poll to see which car we should take the magnet out of next after the last track, track 93, was such good fun. It was incredible that we're going to do it again, but I know what car to take the magnet out of, so I thought I'd put a poll out there on our community tab, and you guys have chosen the Aston Martin Vantage GT3, and here we go. So the magnet is here. We need to take that out. So one of the things a few people messaged me about last time was to say, look, we really want to see you take the magnet out. Last time you just showed us a magnetless car. God, that's a mouthful. Say that after a skinful, people. So we're going to do it here, show you how to take that magnet out and get on with racing. I'm going to fast forward it because it's pointless talking through it. It's taking a magnet out. So here we go. Hey Albert, hey track fans, we're trackside and welcome here from the pits from the garage. We've just been in there. So, here we go. We're going to do the first lap with no magnet and no weights and see what happens. Ready? Here we go, let's drive! Whoa, he's spinning out everywhere, oh my gosh! I don't know if I'm going to make it under that bridge. What? Get in there. Go on, Will, spin the Aston Martin, and he's up onto the first race turn, and he deals with it. He's in, oh, he hits the corner. Oh, he's wide round there. Let's see what he can do on a drift circle. Oh, it's nice and smooth. Oh, it's a big R3 corner to take care of there, but he's in there. Little bit of a wiggle there, little bit of a wiggle under the underpass and round there. So he's making good tracks. Come on. I'm definitely trying not to burn rubber here because he is so loose. It's like driving on ice. So I'm thinking from the drive, we're seeing a lot of the back end kicking out. And we've come off the radar. We've come off. Quick, let's get round there. Right, we're back in the game. On a nice drift too. Catch the drift. Yes, kicks the back end out a little bit there. This is proper good fun. But we are not going to win a race at this pace. So we need to get a shift on. Get ourselves back to the pit stop. And I'm thinking maybe, what about if we experiment and put a bit of weight? He's come off the track again. Oh my word. I think I might put a bit of weight in the front or the back. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe I want to keep the back end of the car on the track so that we can get around them corners a bit quicker, keep the back end in. Let's do it. Let's get to the pit stop. Come on, Albert. Come on, track fans. Hey Albert, hey track fans, we are back. Right then, I've unscrewed this. Let's get our little weights. Remember, got this weight roll from website. So I think I'm gonna go for a spoiler length's worth. Can you see that? Get the spoiler, measure it, and like that, rip a bit off. And then let's have a look where we're gonna stick it. Where shall we put the weight? Maybe one of our Spanish friends, hola, said to put it in here because in the Honda Civic, I put them at the back, still quite drifty. So I might stick some here, just in front of the wheel, just to give it a little bit of weight on the back, more traction, tyres stick, and we're off, okay? So you basically get this. What's this called? So I can show you. Oh, sorry. I'd show you, but my Chinese is a bit rusty. It's 6mm if that helps. Okay. So what I've got to do is I've got to basically form a bit that's going to fit in there. So we've got to get a bit that fits in there. So I reckon, he says, will that work? Shall we try it? Yeah, you see that? So I'll take that out and I'll keep rolling it at that width. It's going to work. Okay, so let's try it. Looks all right to me. Looks quite good actually. Yeah. Okay. So we now got to do a spoiler's width. Yeah, got it, Albert? Got that, Vince? Hey, track fans. Vince is Albert's dad. That's my brother. He's a legend. So let's do it again. We'll use this one as a guide. That'll be about right. Try and make that a little bit more even. Yeah, that's good. So keep that going like this, and then we'll try that in there. Okay, is it looking good? Let's have a closer look. Looks fine. So we'll have that one in there and that one in there. Now we need our help from my friend Gorilla. So I'll go and get that. 1 second. Okay, track fans, hey Albert, we are back. We've got the Aston Martin on the track. We've got the weights in him now. And let's just do this. Let's drive, and we're off. Oh, it's taking a little, oh, he's got a lot of drift. Who would have thought putting the weight in the back would have made him kick out even more? But it's a little bit, oh, groovy. This is good fun. See what we can get there. Oh, nice slide round there. It literally is drifting. It has got, it's difficult to describe, but it feels like the drift is more controlled. It doesn't seem so erratic, the drift. I'm hardly giving it any acceleration at all. As you can see, I'm literally banging off every barrier known to man on the track as I go through Chicago. So what I think I might do is really good fun indeed. What I think I might do is experiment now and put a bit of weight in the front. What do you think? Should we try that? All right, let's bring it around to pole, get it over to the pit and get it back. Nice little bit of drift there into the R3 and then back into the pole. So we'll take it back to the pits. Let's do the weights again. Hey guys, we're back. We're back from trackside, and what we found is that the back end, albeit still drifts with more control. I think that's because of the weight. It's giving us a lot more traction when the tyres are getting on the track. So do you understand that, Albert? So what we're going to do is I want to pin the front down a little bit so that these technically feels the corners. So, oh, I've dropped it. Brilliant. It'll be all right on the night. So I fashioned, let me just have a look at this. There you go. So I fashioned this to be the same shape technically as this. Can you see that? There you go. But I'm going to put it on the inside. So I will do that in a second. But then I was thinking about putting weights on the back like the Civic, but I'm thinking it would create a lot more weight to drag around them corners. So maybe if I put the weight here, just to give us more proportionate to the front, more grip, and see what happens there. All right, let's do it. I'm going to speed this up a bit so you're not hanging around all night watching me putting weight in car. Ready? Let's do it. Okay, so welcome back. We've got the weight in the car, the existing weights. Just see if that gives us a little bit more drive traction and corner ability. So come on in, I'll see you back trackside. Let's go, Albert. See you in a bit, track fans. Okay, Alb, we're back on the track. Hey, track fans. Right, we're going to see what happens now with the magnets in the front, the middle, and almost the back. Ready? Let's drive. Oh, I'm not sure about this. It's definitely got more traction. I feel that it's touching the track a lot, which is nice. It's kicking out quite easily. It's off the track. We have I think we've got a balance issue down here somewhere. Let's have a look. It's getting back on the track. He's back on. Now it's skidding out everywhere. All right, let's have a look at what we can do here. There's a lot of wheel spinning going on. Take it easy around that corner. Coming into the R3. Nice drift, getting a hang of it now. Yeah, so I think it works. I'm hardly using any acceleration. I am now to try and get out of that spin out. Yes, he does it as well. Nice drift. I think as I get used to the car, oh, take it easy around that corner. I can do a little bit more speed around the R3. Nice drift. Yes. Okay, I'm feeling these weights now. This is working for me, but I might have to go back and fine tune it later just to see. Well, I think a new set of tyres might help. So I've been in touch with a well-known slot car supplier here in the UK, just to see if they've got any silicone tyres for this beast. So what we'll do is if they respond to me, I've emailed them, and they do, we'll get some of those in, and we'll do a lap challenge, a tyre challenge, and see the difference that a set of tyres can make with a weighted car without a magnet. Oh, come on, let's do another lap. Yes, drift. I will let you know how that goes probably on the next episode. I don't know what to do for the next episode, but I've got some ideas. Oh, he nearly lipped it off there. I think the weight in the car is pulling him away a bit and drifts him in nicely. Okay, Albert. Right, trackside, we are in the pits again. Now, what I've done is, since that race there we've just done, or the few test laps we've done, I have moved the weight. Do you remember? I put it on the inside here. You can probably just about see the reminiscence of where I cut it off, because it was interfering with the guide plate and this bit here. So, having the Aston Martin has a nice grill which I've filled up with the weight over there. So I've done that just to save you looking at this forever and being bored. And also excitingly, and I do apologise for the length of time it's taken me to publish this next episode, nearly 2 weeks. I mean, 2 weeks, track fans. Albert, you must have been running around going, what's he doing? But I've been waiting for these. Yes. Some silicone tyres. We're going to try this while we're trying the weight and everything else. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on now. I'm going to speed this up a bit so we can get back to the track side, have some fun and race. Yes. Right, let's go. Okay, and welcome back then. So you've just seen me put them on, double quick time. I'm going to go ahead and screw this in to itself. Just a quick refresher. Got weights here, weights in the front grille. I think this is going to drive okay, but let's go and check it out. Right, see you trackside, track fans. Hey, Albert, track fans, we are back trackside. And we've got it all going on. We've got the Aston Martin now we've got him along the way. Now, I'm really, really interested to see what those new silicone tyres are going to be like on this test drive. Right then, so no further ado, we've done a lap with no magnets. It was like driving on ice. We've done a lap with no magnets, but weights. It was a bit like driving on ice, but it had a little bit more control. Now we've got no magnet with weights and brand new silicone tyres. Are you ready, track fans? Are you ready, Albert? Let's drive. Oh, it's good. It's good. It literally holds to the track really well. Oh my gosh, this is not like it was before where it's drifting out. Nice little bit of drift. Oh, he's come off the track right over by camera 2. Let's get a zoom in on that one. And he's back on the track. Right, taking back over to Handycam and following him around there. Gets a nice bit of drift on Bentley Bend. Cruises around Bacharach and into Gambon, up the long straight and into the overpass here. Bring it round, son. Yes. Don't know why he wobbled there a bit. A little bit of drift. Can we get it out? Yes, drift on the big R3 corner. That was amazing. We should watch that again when this is finished. And he's around the corner. He's taking it easy. I don't want to... I've stacked it. I said I didn't want to stack it around there, and I've done it, haven't I? But I think after all of these tracks, these tables are starting to bow and bend a little bit, so it's affecting the drive. Right, let's carry on, track fans. Albert, let's take it through its last lap, or maybe one extra lap, actually, because it is quite a lot of fun. So let's give it a bit of speed up here, nice into the corner. Drifts nicely, takes it easy, gets around there. Well done, drift, yes! Go on through Bacharach and heading into Gambon up there now, long stretch. Give it a bit of toe kick out there, nice. Takes it easy in there. Yes, he pulls a little kick, stops. One more lap, let's do it. True track fan style. Gets into Gambon. Oh, edges around there. Haven't even done a lane change, Neil. Dear me. Mike in Canada, you all right? Paul, how you doing? Paul's kids, get in there to the pit stop. And we'll see you all later, track fans. Have a good day.